Special candidate Dennis Kucinich said he'd seen one, so has Jimmy Carter. So did a pilot who traveled from Iran to Washington so he could speak out today about his encounter with the UFO. Now, unidentified flying object means just that, unidentified. It says nothing about what or from where. But for years now, polling has shown that a majority of Americans believe the government, our government, simply isn't telling all it knows about those lights in the sky, whatever they are. Well, tonight, CNN's Gary Tuckman about.
Go about my dome window, million of a babu. Yeah, I'm a naked vision low. Bongo Savaji got cello. Yeah, Nagaladu no. Jensen Zavachele. Near drawing, I'm a gong and I may. I drive by down so lonely. My leg and now when I need it. You long a day out there. Save young down at the chain. Go, if that's so my man. You're like no cat can't man. I'm your bed. Misery like my own. Young jiggy jam ya lue ma chain we go I'm in the wild go up to check the bar min come love panela can go pure pure them to ja ingoni ya nga jump na ja re tong bi me lai dia bu chong la dai say pyong pyong le da chan ge go in there so my man you're right on can't me no I'm your bed me treat like God on way say no more than money I go like you when you're there you're so to tell you man we don't know somebody say no let it Mother can now let I need it. You long at the